middle
of a
लाउडली सो गए हो क्या? हाउलिंग
desert because he did not want to work. He ate sticks and stones and pickles and then anybody spoke to him. He
बोलो.
said hump and no more presently the horse came to him on Monday morning with a
saddle and on his back and said camel, oh camel, come out and trot like the. रुक जा बेटा दिव्यांशी, मेरे साथ जाएगी. Rest of us hump said the camel and horse went away and told the man. Presently the dog came him with a stick in his mouth and said, change the paper. चेंज द पेपर आपको नहीं बोलना है, चेंज द पेपर मैं कह रहा हूँ, उससे पेपर बदल दो. यस.
Camel, oh camel, come and
fetch and
carry like the rest of us. Hump said the camel and the dog went away and told the man. Presently the ox came to him with the
yoke
on his
neck
and said camel, oh camel, come and
blow
like
the rest of us. Hump said the camel and the ox went away and told the man at the end of the day the man called the horse and the dog and the ox together
and said
three. I am very sorry for you. But that hump thing in the desert can't walk, or he would have been here by now. So I am going to leave him alone, and you must work double time to make up for it. The maid पढ़ो.
The three very angry and they held a
पंचायत on
the
edge of
the desert and the camel
come नहीं बेटा came chewing cud and laughed at them. Then he said hump and went away.
Again. Presently,
there came along Ding, who
was in
change or charge of all desert, rolling in a cloud of dust. Kholo. So children, we have to read like that, okay? Right or not? So if half an hour we go for the readings, it will improve our reading skill as well as second thing is communication skill. So communication skill is very, very important to interact with the people. We can say our things or messages, we can pass our messages very properly if we have good communication skills. If you have good communication skills. Do you know communication skill? How many ways we can communicate to anybody? Either we can communicate by orally or we communicate by non-verbally. Means by making any indication, body postures, right or not? If I want to say you come here, so I can say like come here. Okay, I can give my, these are non-verbal. I can go for written communication. I can give you anything in the in written form. Or we have got the visual communication also. I can show you some pictures, movies, etc. So what kind of communication it is? Visual communication. So how many kind of communication I told? Verbal, non-verbal, written, and next is last visual communication. So which one communication is the best? Visual communication. See, if you see the movie, you will never forget it. So which kind of communication is good? If I telling something about Mahatma Gandhi, okay, you will understand, but not that much. If I'll show you the movie of Mahatma Gandhi, that thing you will understand properly or not? You will understand now who was Mahatma Gandhi, when he was born, who was his mother and father, who was his wife, and Kasturba Gandhi, you know, who is the Kasturba Gandhi? Wife of Mahatma Gandhi. And when Mahatma Gandhi was married, you know what is age of Mahatma Gandhi? Around 16 years or something. And Kasturba Gandhi is of around 13 years. Very small. Is understood or not? So after that, Mahatma Gandhi went outside South Africa for what? Getting his education. He took the barrister degree from there itself. Okay. So and once what happened, you know, he was traveling by the train. So when he was traveling by the train, actually that particular, you know, what you can say, that particular that bogie of train was reserved for not him, for British persons. So he came there and very badly scolded to Mahatma Gandhi. He hold the Mahatma Gandhi and thrown him outside from that bogie. Understood? So Mahatma Gandhi was very angry at that time, but he preserved that anger and make them that things a kind of missiles for our independence. मतलब चाहते तो महात्मा गांधी उससे लड़ सकते थे ना, वो लड़े नहीं, उसको उन्होंने क्या बना दिया? एक हथियार बना दिया कि उससे उन्हें वो शक्ति मिली कि वो पूरे, फिर उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा? सत्याग्रह आंदोलन किया और उससे पूरे देश को फिर बाद में क्या दिलाई इन्होंने? आज़ादी दिलाई, जिसको कहते हैं हम सत्य और अहिंसा। किसकी लड़ाई? सत्य और अहिंसा की लड़ाई हम उन्होंने दिलाई। समझा किसने? महात्मा गांधी। उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? हमारा राष्ट्र पिता कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं बेटा? ही इज द नेशनल फादर ऑफ इंडिया। और जानते हो पाकिस्तान का राष्ट्रपिता कौन है? जानते हो? नहीं पता? पाकिस्तान किसने बनाया? किसके कहने पाकिस्तान बना? जुल्फिकार अली, नो जिन्ना था, जिन्ना। क्या नाम था? जिन्ना। जिन्ना ने ही पाकिस्तान बनाया बेटा। उन्होंने कहा मुस्लिम के लिए एक ऐसा देश होना चाहिए जो मुस्लिम के लिए क्या हो? सुरक्षित हो। हम इंडिया के साथ में नहीं रहना चाहते। तो उससे हमारा देश कितने भाग में टूट गया? 2 भाग में। एक बना इंडिया और दूसरा बना पाकिस्तान, जो आजकल हमारे लिए क्या बन रहा है? खतरा बना हुआ है। हमारी अभी लड़ाई हुई थी ना बीच में, वहाँ से टेररिस्ट आए थे ना पहलगांव में से, उन्होंने कई हमारे जो बेचारे पर्यटक होते हैं उनको मारा था ना, यस नॉट? और कैसे मारा था? धर्म पूछ पूछ के मारा था। कौन हिंदू और कौन मुस्लिम को क्या किया उन्होंने? छोड़ दिया और हिंदुओं को मार दिया। उसे टेररिस्ट का कोई धर्म नहीं होता बेटा। किसी को मारने वाला का कोई धर्म, टेररिस्ट होता है, चाहे वो हिंदू हो चाहे मुस्लिम। लेकिन धर्म को देख करके उन्होंने मारा, वो गलत किया। फिर हमारी फोर्स ने, एयरफोर्स, आर्मी एंड नेवल ने एक साथ मिल करके फिर पाकिस्तान को ऐसा सबक सिखाया कि शायद अब दोबारा वो कहीं ऐसा कायराना हमला नहीं करेंगे। अगर करेंगे तो फिर हम उनको छोड़ेंगे? कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे ना? छोड़ेंगे बेटा? छोड़ेंगे नहीं छोड़ेंगे। चलो, सी यू।